Once upon a time, I had an office at the Evergreen Aviation Space Museum in McMinnville, the glorious home of the Spruce Goose. One of the airplanes in the collection was a glorious P-38 Lightning. Man, this thing was just gorgeous. It was just mint. It was a really nice airplane. It's got to be one of my favorite all-time Warbirds. It really is. The P-38 was on loan to the museum, so we didn't have it forever. It was transferred to the hot little hands of a new owner. Bless his little heart. But we did have the opportunity to see it get running again, back into ferryable shape. And there is nothing more awesome than that full-throated sound of those twin engines just rumbling back to life. It was a sight to behold. It was a sound to behold. Here's how amazing it was. I was in my office, which a couple hundred yards away in the space building. Huge, big, thick building. You couldn't hear anything from outside. And I was showing some friends of mine the video of the P-38 starting. And I was thinking, you know, after the video was rolling for a bit, I thought, well, you know, my speakers on my laptop sound really good, you know? And then it occurred to me, that's not my laptop. No. They had started that thing up again, and the rumbling had permeated from about 200 yards away through the building and overrode my speakers as I was watching it on video at the same time. And so, you know, I can only imagine when there's like 20 of those things, 30 of those things on the flight line all at once just rumbling away. The sound must have been glorious. Just amazing. It's something I'll never forget. So the only thing this video is just the P-38 starting up and running for a period of time. This is all this is. This is just pure, unadulterated aviation nerd porn. So without any further ado, So that's it. That's all there is. I'm sorry, I wish there was more. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, please fly safe. Take care. Bye-bye.